We're at the summit of Pikes Peak, over 14,000 feet up. We're going on the train to Pikes Peak today. There it is. Going all the way up there. We're on the Cog Railway.
Those stairs. We're going to be getting out. We're going to be going to our right.
You can't tell, but I'm at 14,100 feet up on Pikes Peak. It's extremely cold. Okay, we took the train to the summit of Pikes Peak. We're at 14,000 feet up here. Here's the train. And we are above the clouds. I don't know how well you can see back there, but we are really high up. Woo. This is how they keep the tracks clean with the snow plow right there. Boarding the train back down. My fingers are freezing holding this camera. We're stopped on the railroad tracks.